This is David with Inspire Precision, and in today's video we're going to be taking the Notos Gen 2 to 70 yards and beyond. So guys, you see here a pretty much fully kitted out Umarex Notos Gen 2. I've got a collapsing stock on it. I am still working on the design of this stock. I hope to release it sometime in the near future for you guys. I think it is a really nice option for this rifle. We have a buck rail receiver with a 1913 attachment for this folding stock. And we've got your standard AR grip. I just have a CV Life, a 2-10 mid-length scope on this. And this does pretty well for taking us out to 70 yards, maybe a little bit further. Lastly, we've got the long version of my Notos forend, the hand grip here. I am working on a couple refinements for this, and this will be out shortly as well. So check on my site to see that. I'm sitting at a new location, 73 yards to my main berm, and I now have some targets set up at approximately 117 yards. So we're going to reach past 100 yards in future videos and settle on at 117 yards. This location is inside where I'm shooting. Obviously, we're shooting downrange, obviously very safe, but this is inside, so I can shoot in all kinds of different weather, in the snow, in the rain, and we really won't have to worry about much. These are loaded with my favorite Crosman hollow point Premiers. I don't think there's any reason to shoot a lot of other pellets because these are pretty darn accurate as they are. Right now we're at 73 yards. We're going to be just ringing some steel. I'm not going to be doing any grouping. We're going to ring some steel. I've got a camera on the swinging targets down there. We're going to see how we do. I'm not going to waste my time. I'm going to shoot relatively fast, but we're going to see how we do swinging those steel targets, and then we'll reset up the camera and see what we can do at that 117 yards. And let's just go for it. Let's see what we can get. Oh, a little high. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, the Gen 2 Notos is phenomenal if you do your part. 5. Oh. 6. Okay, I wasn't wasting my time. 6 out of 10. Let's do another mag. See if we can improve that at 73 yards. 1, 2. Ooh. 3. 4. Ooh, just over it. I heard it hit. Probably a foot. I'll take that 5. Right over. Pulled that one, I felt it. So that was 5 out of 10. Let me See what I've got. We'll put a little more pressure in this guy. So we want to get something that is a little bit better than 6 out of 10. With these pellets, this still is crazy good for 73 yards. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. I kind of cheated there and was just going for the larger target. But that's what I'm going to do once more. All larger targets. Let's see how many I get out of 10. One. Two. Three. Ooh, right over. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 9 out of 10, guys. 9 out of 10 on that larger ram on that red swinging target. I would say that that is absolutely phenomenal for Crosman Premier hollow points. Those are the 14.3s at 73 yards, guys. 73 yards, almost as fast as I can shoot. 9 out of 10 shots on that target. Let's see what I can do at 117 yards. I've got the long range camera set back up on that large target downrange at 117 yards, guys. We'll see where I have to hold to actually get some sort of group on that, but it's a fresh target, so we should be able to see it. 117 yards. Okay, we've got, let's see, what do we got left in here? You know what? I'm just going to give us a fill. All right, topped off. Let's see where we're gonna have to hold here. I'm gonna aim for the top of that target. Okay, I saw that. Oddly enough, I saw it. You probably didn't see it on that. I have to aim way higher. Way higher. So, let's see. Okay, I at least hit it. I can watch those pellets go downrange. Okay, so now let's try to get a group and we'll see what we get. I could see those flying through the air. That's crazy. I must be right at the bottom. Yeah, I must be right at the bottom, guys. Okay. I want to do one more mag I'm going to aim another notch higher on this scope. I don't know if you can hear that. It just dings that. I pulled that one. That's not going to be a good one. I can't see where those are impacting. I can watch them fly through the air. Hopefully with the camera I have set up, you can see those as well. We'll have to review the footage. Let's take a walk down there, go all the way down to 117 yards, and we'll at least show you up close, even though you've seen it better than I could see it. All right. This is what we've got, and again, you saw this as it was happening. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And I did miss with the first shot, and then I missed twice with the first magazine. But if you look up here, we've got 10 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10. Excellent. Beautiful day to be at the range, and you could not ask for better results from the Umarex Notos with 14.3 grain Crossman Premier hollow points at 117 yards. Let's go back up and we'll finish this one out. You could not have asked for better performance out of a $300 rifle with pellets anybody can afford. This is an absolute beast of a platform, and look what you can do to it. You can make it your own. You can make it however you want. I don't even have any fancy liner, fancy barrel, or anything on this yet, and see how good it is shooting. Guys, if you like content like this, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You give us a like. Likes really help these videos. Comment down below with what you think about this platform. I want to thank you guys for watching. This was David with Inspire Precision, and I want to remind you to break out of your comfort zone, learn a new skill, and have a great day.